Alistair, don't let go, okay, sweetheart? Just take my hands, okay? I'll pull you up.
No, thank you. I don't want you to.
No, shut up. Just take my hand, okay? I'll pull you up. Just take my hand, Alistair.
No thanks. I really don't want you to.
Oh, Alistair, please, I can't lose you. Just take my hand, man.
No, I don't know where your hands have been.
Doesn't matter where they've been. I'm wearing gloves. Just take my hand. Let me pull you up. I can't lose you, Alistair. I love you.
If you love me, let me go!